Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying your Apple ID credentials and ensuring you have the second factor accessible. This keeps the account secure. Once done, install Apple Music from Google Play for native access or open a modern browser to iCloud. Com for web features. Make sure to create an app-specific password in your Apple ID account settings now if you plan to use Android Mail or calendar apps. This separates third-party access from your main password and prevents lockouts later. Next, sign into Apple Music using your Apple ID. This gives streaming, library access, and purchases on Android. Then, Chinese letter iCloud. Com in your browser for photos, notes, and Find My features. Mobile browsers vary, so request the desktop site if needed. To sync email, contacts, and calendars in Android apps, add an account using a map and card DAV/cal DAV settings with the app-specific password you created. This keeps data synchronized while avoiding the native iCloud client limitations on Android. To finish, open your Apple ID account page to review active subscriptions, trusted devices, and app-specific passwords. Remove any old devices and revoke unused passwords. Make sure two-factor authentication and a recovery contact are enabled to avoid lockouts, and update your password if it's weak. If something goes wrong, first verify you're entering the current 2FA code, disable browser pop-up blockers, and recreate the app-specific password. These steps resolve most sign-in and sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.